What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Fantom, guys. It came down to our second buy zone. It's currently retracing. It's still looking really healthy in my opinion. Currently we're sitting at about 266. We're down almost 4% on the day, sitting at a market cap of 6.69 billion, 24-hour volume 588 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, as well as $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour chart. I had noticed a bit of a rising wedge. I haven't made a video for Fantom in a few days here, so I do apologize. But we fell out of our rising wedge and that target was met. We came all the way down to our second buy zone, sitting at 264. Now my method of trading is I dollar cost average into my trades. So I entered into my trade at 305. My second buy zone was hit. Excuse me. And now my average price is right in the middle here, right at about 284. We do have a bit of a bullish divergence here. I'm going to go over Bitcoin as well because it's pretty important here. So we're creating lower lows on the chart, on the price, and we're creating higher lows on the RSI. Now this could easily be invalidated if we were to see some quick sell-off down to 236 here. But it can signify to us that the bears are running out of strength here. So I'm just going to quickly jump into Bitcoin as it will help with the analysis here for Fantom. So Bitcoin may be coming down to create that double bottom that I had been talking about. If we lose this level of support, previous level of resistance from our falling wedge, that's when we could see Bitcoin come down, create that double bottom, and break out. We went through our ABC correction, we create a reversal pattern, we break back out to the upside. Now if that does happen, if we do see Bitcoin come down to 58.2, I think that's when you may see Fantom come down to this level of support at 236. We're still looking really healthy. If you zoom out and you go to Fantom on the daily, we're currently holding the 20 EMA. And even if we come down to 238 quickly, we're still technically holding the 20 EMA as support. We come down to a previous swing high. We got a little bit overextended, just as we did here. You can see right here back in about August, we got a little bit overextended. We came back down to the 20 EMA. So that was a correction of about 30%. And currently Fantom has had a correction here of about 24%. So I do think that's a likely scenario where we find support along the 20, possibly come down to this previous swing high at 238 and bounce back up to the upside. Worst case scenario, guys, we came up to the 1.618 extension. And in many cases, when you come up to the 1.618, you're going to come back down to the 1.414. You'll see a back test of support down at the 1.414. But as you can see here, we broke above the 1.414. We came back, we back tested support, and we broke out again. So we may not see us come all the way back down to 208. I think Bitcoin would have to lose 58.2 as support and come all the way down to 54K. And I don't think it's a likely scenario. Of course, it's a possibility I want to make you guys aware of. But I think the worst case scenario is come all the way back down to 208. We find support along the 55 and we bounce. But I think it's far more likely that we come down to 238 or we find support here along the 20 and we bounce back up to the upside. We come up and we break our previous high at 347 and we start heading up to the 2 extension for Fantom, which is coming up at about $6.02. All right, guys. So we'll finish off the video here quickly. So keep an eye on this bullish divergence. We may see a bounce to the upside here, but Bitcoin would have to bounce from this level. If we do create that double bottom, do target our buy zone here for Fantom, coming in at $2.36. That's the beautiful thing about this dollar cost average strategy is as price drops, you're bringing down your average price, you're dropping your liquidation price. You have to do this on low leverage, like 3 to 4x. 3x is my go-to because it's very safe in my opinion. And as price drops, your average price drops, your lick price drops, and you ride the wave back up here. So if you see us start to lose 264, we back test as resistance, do target 236 here, but we do have this bullish divergence. So if we bounce here, we're creating a little bit of a double bottom. It's not pretty here, but you can see we came down, created a bottom, came up, created a second bottom. So if you see us come up and break this neckline, that's when we'll head back up to probably 305 here. Let's do a little measurement. Yeah, take us right back up to this level of resistance for 305 for Fantom. So we're still looking bullish. I've had a lot of commenters over the last few days. Please do Fantom. We're crashing. Everything is dumping. No, Fantom just got a little bit overextended. It's coming back to a key level of support, and it's looking for continuation in my opinion. That's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting breakouts, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon. Check out crypto.com. Smash the like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.